down at him. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Come on, Panda. His name's Bungo. Come on. And I found out, boys and girls, that he's like 18 months old. He's a baby almost. Come here, Bungo. Bungo. Come on. Come here. Come. Come and look at me. Come on. Come and look at the boys and girls. Come on. That's all you can say to the boys and girls is moo. I hear the pigs. They're doing the same thing as you are. I have come to the conclusion that this little panda cow loves to moo, boys and girls. Don't you? You love to moo. And you're going to come over here and moo for me and the boys and girls, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi, peekaboo. I see you, peekaboo. I see you. Yes, I see you. Look at those feetsies. Yes, look at those feetsies. Yes, I see feetsies down there. You shorty. You're such a shorty, huh? You're such a shorty. Boys and girls, this cow is very small, but he weighs a lot. You weigh a lot because you like to eat. You are the eating panda cow, aren't you? Yes, you are. Do you want to say moo again to the boys and girls? She's chewing her cud. There it is. She chews it for a while, boys and girls, then she'll swallow it. And it'll go to her 4th stomach. She has 4 different sections in her body for her stomach. Are you gonna moo too? I hear the panda cow. And I hear the pigs.